سديدا يصلح لكم أعمالكم ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم ومن يطع الله ورسوله فقد فاز فوزا عظيما. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless our gathering. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us amongst those people that when they listen to the commands of Allah, they will submit themselves to the commands and the orders of Allah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep all of us united as one ummah, one Muslim ummah. Allahumma ameen. May Allah increase the love amongst us. May Allah remove any kind of hatred, any kind of grudge, any kind of evil eye amongst us. Allahumma ameen. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us Jannatul Firdaus. Allahumma ameen. Ya Rabbil Alameen. Today we talked about something very important. And do you still remember the topic for today? Nothing lasts forever. Nothing will last forever. Means everything will come to an end one day. Everything will come to an end. And life will not have something permanent. We said today you are having health, tomorrow you are sick. Today you are happy, tomorrow you are crying. Tomorrow you have money, today you don't have. Today you are hungry, tomorrow you are full. Tomorrow you find yourself like optimistic. Today you feel sad. Somebody else feels optimistic. And subhanAllah, we call it life has ups and downs, right? And that is by the nature that Allah had created in this life. And just for putting some comments on the khutbah today, I have 2 points. You know, guys, inshallah, I'm waiting for the dinner. And Brother Faisal in the back, you think he's tasting the food? Brother Faisal, what are you doing? Are you tasting the food? Yeah, it's part of his job, supervising, right? Okay. Yeah. So they can get good evaluation, right? It's part of the job. I mean, you see, alhamdulillah. Don't finish all the food. Otherwise you'll be in trouble. Okay? Okay. You know, the lecture on the night of Jummah is very short, only 2 hours. Alhamdulillah. So just 2 hours, don't worry. Okay. So we talked about that nothing will last forever. But we talked, what's the solution? If that's the fact, nothing will last forever. What's the solution for that? What do I need to do? Yes, Allahu Akbar. Firru ila Allah means go back to Allah, rush to Allah, always have Allah as your priority. Number 1 and number million, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Everything is related to Allah. Your life, your salah, your rituals, even your death, for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But what's the word? This is what I wanted to explain. What is the expression that Allah had mentioned in the Quran? Allah said, فَفِرُّوا. What is firru? No. Give me from Arabic linguistic point of view. Okay, farra. Farra haraba, right? Farra haraba. He escaped. Allah used the same word translated as escape. فَفِرُّوا. And it has always the preposition min, from. Escape from, not escape to. Right? And always in the Quran, Allah used فَفِرُّوا مِنْ. فَفِرُّوا مِنْ, from, not ila, not to. In this ayah, Allah said, escape to Allah. The entire Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, for example, he talked about the story of Musa alayhi salam with Fir'aun. قَالَ فعلتها إذا وأنا من الظالمين. Fir'aun said to him, قال ألم نربك فينا وليدا ولبثت فينا من عمرك سنين وفعلت فعلتك التي فعلت وأنت من الكافرين. قال فعلتها إذا وأنا من الضالين ففررت منكم. لما خفتكم. I had escaped. Fir'aun is reminding him of his crime. And he said, you know what, you escaped. He said, I escaped. Yes, I escaped from you because I was afraid of you. I was afraid from you. The verse that we have in Surah Abasa, Allah said, يَوْمَ يَفِرُّ الْمَرْءُ مِنْ فَرَّ مِنْ. The only position in the Quran that Allah used فَرَّ إِلَى Allah. فَفِرْ إِلَى اللَّهِ. Escape. This is the literal translation. We translate it as rush to Allah, go back to Allah. But if you put it on Google Translation, you put فَفِرُّ إِلَى اللَّهِ means escape to Allah. Now you ask yourself, escape from what? Escape from what? You know, if you have a little kid, I don't here making comparison, astaghfirullah. I just wanted to make it close to our minds. You know, when you have a little kid, and then there is a stranger in the street wanted to attack the kid, what's the first reaction? The kid, what he will do? Escape to, not from now. He will escape from the attacker to his mom, where he finds comfort. So Allah said, the hearts of the believers will never find comfort away from Allah. If you have shayateen around you, you will not have relaxation in your heart. At that time, you will be like somebody who is attacked. So you need to do what? To escape to Allah. فَفِرُّوا إِلَى اللَّهِ. Now, that's my first point. My second point is, and that's the last one, how can I escape to Allah? How can I go back to Allah? How can I rush to Allah? What does it mean? To have Allah in your heart. To let your heart not to see anybody except Allah. When you come to pray, only Allah. Every aspect in your life for Allah. When you give, for Allah. When you prevent, for Allah. When you love, for Allah. Even if you will desert somebody, it has to be for Allah, not for yourself. Allah comes first. What about if somebody did something wrong to you, personal, and you was giving him money, helping him, and you said, you know what? Because of what he said against me, wallahi, I will never give it to him. Is that something good? That means what? It wasn't basically for the sake of Allah. If your heart is going to be changed based on people, and this is the problem that nowadays we are facing. You will find Brother Islam, for example, will change his attitude with me. Why? Maybe the Imam didn't say something good. The Imam said something bad about me. So I will never make salam to him again. Why? So brother, the salam that you made for me or for Allah, continue your salam, even if you got upset with me. Lots of people. And the proverb says, لو أن عاملنا الناس بما يستحقون ما ألقينا السلام على أحد. If we will deal with people based on what they deserve, we will never even say salam to them. But we deal with Allah. Your heart, if your heart started to see people and their reactions, then that means you did not make firar to Allah. You did not go back to Allah. You did not rush to Allah. The word فَفِرُّوا إِلَى اللَّهِ أَلَّا تَجْعَلَ فِي قَلْبِكَ أَحَدٌ إِلَّا اللَّهِ. Do not make anybody, any person, anything in your heart except Allah. Imam, can I put Allah and like my kids? Can I put Allah and my business? Can I put Allah and listen to this verse? SubhanAllah. This verse, it needs by itself khutbah for Jummah. But I know Brother Faisal is watching me, you know. So that's why. Astaghfirullah. Brother, don't watch me. Okay, don't look at me. Okay. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, قُلْ إِن كَانَ آباؤكم وأبناؤكم إخوانكم أزواجكم وعشيرتكم وأموال اقترفتموها وتجارة تخشون كسادها ومساكن ترضونها. How many did I count? 8. أحب إليكم من الله ورسوله وجهاد في سبيله فتربصوا حتى يأتي الله بأمره. Listen to the translation, then we make the dua. Do you agree? Okay, but you need to count with me. Allah said, if you have those 8 things in your heart before Allah, then you will be in trouble for the punishment of Allah. قُلْ إِن كَانَ آبَاؤُكم, if your fathers, وَأَبْنَاؤُكُمْ, your children, وَإِخْوَانُكُمْ, your siblings, وَأَزْوَاجُكُمْ, your spouses, وَعَشِيرَتُكُمْ, and your family, your tribe, your people, وَعَشِيرَتُكُمْ, your community. Number 5. Number 6, وَأَمْوَالٌ اقْتَرَفْتُمُوهَا, the money that you had inherited. وَتِجَارَةٌ تَخْشَوْنَ كَسَادَهَا, and your business. That's وَمَسَاكِنُ تَرْضَوْنَهَا, your dwellings, your houses. If those 8 things in your heart before Allah, then you are in trouble. What did Allah say? فَتَرَبَّصُوا. You know the word فَتَرَبَّصُوا? You know, if your child did something wrong and you cannot punish him because people are watching you, so what do you say to your child? Wait. When we go home. Yes. We go home. But wait, not here. We go home. Fatarabbasu. Fatarabbasu means wait. But wait with the sense of punishment. With the sense of warning. Fatarabbasu hatta ya'ti Allah. Wait till the command of Allah of punishing you will come. You are in trouble. You are in trouble. So who can count them? 8. Number 1, fathers. Number 2, children, siblings, spouses, and community. Number 6, money that you had inherited. Number 7, your business, your shop, your gas station, your money, your business. Number 8, yes, your houses, dwellings, and all of this. And not only this, Allah said, وَمَسَاكِنُ تَرْضَوْنَهَا. The houses, sometimes you have a house, but you don't like it. So it's not in your heart anymore. Allah said, no. I'm talking here about the houses that you love. The houses that you love the most. Even that house, it needs to be after Allah. Allah comes first. Allah, His deen, His messenger, all of those comes first. If you did that, if you avoided those 8 things and you put Allah first, then you would achieve the verse that I told you about in the khutbah of Jummah. فَفِرُّوا إِلَى اللَّهِ. Go back to Allah. I hope my 2 points are clear. Jazakumullah khairan. Let's make dua. May Allah bless all of us. Allahumma ameen. May Allah accept our ibadah. May Allah increase that love amongst us. Allahumma ameen. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep us as united family and united community. Allahumma ameen ya Rabb al-alameen. Allahumma اغفر لنا ذنوبنا وإسرافنا في أمرنا. اللهم ثبت أقدامنا. اللهم توفنا مسلمين والحقنا بالصالحين واحشرنا يا ربنا في زمرة خير المرسلين. اللهم أكرمنا ولا تهنا وأعزنا ولا تذلنا وارفعنا ولا تضعنا. اللهم آمين يا رب العالمين. جزاك الله خيرا. Please remember your brother Ahmed Aly, your dua inshallah. So may Allah give him shifa. Say Ameen. Need big Ameen. Say Ameen. Allahu Akbar. MashaAllah. May Allah, and remember him in your salah. May Allah continue his shifa upon him. We need to make dua for all the brothers and sisters who are watching our Zoom tonight. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from all of us. Allahumma ameen. Also, Brother Rizaf is watching our lecture. Brother Khalid Imtiaz, Rahima Baksh, Shaliz Ad-Din, Sister Mizan, Brother Nasheed, Brother Muhammad Nasruddin, Sister Azima, of course, Brother Muhammad. May Allah accept from all of us. Allahumma ameen. So the verse, inshallah, I will share with you this verse, inshallah. This is in Surah Al-Tawbah. So inshallah, I will share it with you and I will give you the number and the proper translation, inshallah. Rabbil Alameen. Jazakumullah khairan. You will get it on the WhatsApp. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum.